content creators just influencers or marketers in disguise? So I saw a TikTok asking this question and thought about it. Follow me for more content like this, but here's my take. The term content creators becomes synonymous with anyone putting out content online, but I think there's a distinction of what that means happening behind the scenes. For instance, anyone who picks up a camera or takes a photo with their phone could say they're a photographer, but clearly we all know there's a large distinction between someone who's a professional and someone who's just a hobbyist. So we'll break it down and then we'll see what the determining factors are that makes one a professional versus a hobbyist, and not that there's anything wrong with a hobbyist at all. For hobbyist content creators, they'll create content for fun and to socialize. They'll usually do it without strategy and without a strict posting schedule. They'll also create content where they're not under agreement to produce it in order to be paid for it. Now for professionals, they will create content for fun and to socialize, but maybe also to build their business. They'll also post with a strategy in mind and a strict posting schedule because there are people looking forward to their content. They're looking to build community, and they'll even post at times when they don't feel like it. And many times they can be under agreement to produce certain content for payment. I'd say the term content creator still has distinction from influencer or marketer, and the determining factors seem to be goals, strategy for the content, and whether you're being paid for it. So perhaps the term professional content creator would be more effective to use versus content creator. But let me know what you think in the comments. Are there more differences? And if you're a professional content creator, would you prefer to be referred to this way versus content creator? But check out my other video where I discuss UGC content creators to get an idea of another type of professional content creators that aren't necessarily influencers or marketers.